Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Okay, so on this channel today, I'm going to be making you a figure 4 cake topper. Yeah, and this topper is very easy to make, and you're not going to be needing any tool or any mold or anything. It is wonderful and so easy to make. Okay, so let's get started. Yeah, I also made a playlist for you guys from 0. I made figure 0 to 9 for you, so in case you'd like to check that out. Yeah, so please check that. I'm going to leave the link the card right up here. So click on me or click on that. You can check out any of my toppers there. Okay, so the wonderful thing about this topper is that they dry out really fast, and the reason is because when I make them, usually sometimes when I have a cake decoration to do, I hope you're watching what I'm doing. I don't understand what I'm doing here, but okay, when I have like something to decorate, sometimes I forget to make the toppers in advance or the cake accessory in advance, so it won't firm up. So that when I wake up the next day, I have to look for a way to make it really fast, so it firm up really fast. So I have this gum paste recipe that is amazing for that. It firms up within 2 hours. So if you're going to be using my recipe, I'm going to put the card right up here. It is very easy to use, so all you have to do is click on it and watch how to make that. So that's what I'm using in this video. So in this video, I basically made a log of sugar paste, and then I rolled it out, and then I'm using my smoother to press it down. So when you press it down, it's going to give you this spread out and flat shape in the number, in the, you know, like when you're making the body of the 4 before you put the 1 that crosses over it. Yeah, so that's what we're doing. So once you're done doing that, we're going to do the same thing for the 1. We're going to roll out a mini log, and then we are going to press it down, and then once we press it down, it is going to be as flat as this 4, and then we're going to put it on top and glue it. So we're going to be using my edible glue today. If you want the recipe for my edible glue, it is very easy, and it is amazing for gluing fondant, sugar paste, wafer paper, sugar paper and stuff. So it's really wonderful. So you want to use your smoother to shape your log as much as possible. So you're going to take that part and then glue it onto the 4. And when you glue the 4, make sure the top is longer than the bottom, if you get what I mean. So once you're done, you want to take a knife or a sharp tool and cut out the edges of this 4 so it won't be too rounded. The reason is because, number 1, it will dry up fast, and also it will look more well shaped and well put together. Okay, so once you're done, you want to take your edible glue again to like basically coat the whole of the 4 in glue. The reason is because I'm going to do a design with sprinkles and gold pearls on top of it. So it's going to be like a gold and blue 4, and it's going to be very pretty. So if you're going to be doing this, make sure you use a color that fits the color of your cake, so it won't be very different. So I'm going to be using a sharp tool to cut out the edges of my number 4, like every single edge, if you get. So now that we are done, we are going to take our number 4 and put it on a plate. And that's because I don't want there to be sprinkles all over, and like everywhere will be full of sprinkles, and then I have to clean up, because I hate to clean up, guys. I'm a lazy person. Okay, so in the longest part of your 4, what you want to do is to stick in your skewer. The reason why you're using the longest part of your 4 is because that way, like, you can stick in your skewer without seeing your skewer, if that makes sense. And you want to do it really fast, because this sugar paste recipe like firms up really fast. So, and if you don't do it fast enough, it is going to start to crack once you want to do it. So one of the things you want to do once you're done is to stick in your skewer first, so that like it can stay in place. Okay, so once we are done, we are transferring into a plate and then putting some more tiny gold sprinkles on it and making sure it sticks. Of course it's going to stick, because the edible glue recipe is very nice and it's not very sticky, and it's not very watery. It's the perfect consistency for sticking on stuff. So it's just wonderful, and see how pretty and nice our 4 came out. So if you don't like this design for this number 4 and you want to make a number 4 with a different design, you can check out my playlist on how I make, because every different single figure that I made, I did a different design on them. So in case you want to check a different design out, feel free to do that. I'm going to leave the link to the playlist right here. It says click on me, click on that for you guys, so you can check out how I made that. So please give me a thumbs up on this video and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And thank you guys for always watching my videos. And if you like to watch any of these toppers as well, please feel free to do that. Thank you so much, and I will see you in my future videos. Bye.